Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. A very good afternoon. I'm just waiting for you all to join. Please hurry up. All of you, please come on time.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, children, do you have any doubt in chapter the human eye? Human eye chapter में कोई doubt है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All of you have marked
No,
it
ma'am.
properly. सब लोग उस दिन yesterday all have marked it properly.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then today I told you that we will have a revision of chapter combustion. Okay. So, be ready.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. No, anybody, if you have any problem in this chapter, the human eye, you can tell me just now. We will have once again, we will just discuss it.
Ma'am, no doubt.
No doubt. So let us start with qualification of combustion chapter. Okay. Okay. Now, what is combustion? The participants, those whom I will tell, they will only answer. Because if you all speak together, then it becomes very difficult. Aditya Kumar. 8G. Aditya Kumar, 8G.
Yes, ma'am.
Combustion.
The process in which substance burn and produce heat and light in the presence of air is known as combustion.
That is combustible material. I am asking what is combustion. I am asking combustion. What is combustion?
The chemical process of
Yes, correct. Bolo.
The chemical process in which substance burn and produce heat and light energy in the presence of oxygen and air, that is known as combustion.
Why don't you?
Okay. Then next. What is ignition temperature or kindling temperature? Alok Kumar.
the minimum temperature of any substance which catches fire, that is called ignition temperature.
That can respire,
That, ma'am,
catches fire.
yes, ma'am, वही बोला.
ठीक है. Now next, Amit Kumar. Amit,
Yes, ma'am.
are you there, Amit?
Yes,
Amit
ma'am.
Kumar, please say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the ignition temperature of white phosphorus?
35 degrees Celsius.
Okay, good. Why does the flame or the candle goes off if blown over it strongly? Anupriya.
Yes, ma'am. Please
Anupriya
repeat the
Kumari.
question.
Why does the flame of a burning candle goes off when blown over it strongly?
Because, ma'am, when we blown, the carbon dioxide is produced, and in the carbon dioxide, the candle is blown off.
It acts as a दूसरा point क्या है? Next point, anybody is knowing? Arushi Raj? 8G Arushi, are you knowing this point? Tanveer Khan?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanveer,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
tell me the second point. Why does the flame of a burning candle goes off when blown over it strongly?
Ma'am, because air current lower at the temperature of the burning wax paper below their ignition temperature.
Yes, correct. Then, which chemical is present in the tip of the burning tip of the matchstick?
Ma'am, please
Gauri.
repeat it. Oh, sorry.
गौरी कुमारी,
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए। मैच स्टिक में कौन सा ये रहता है, केमिकल्स रहता है?
Ma'am,
Which
ma'am, I
chemical
don't
is
know.
present in the matchstick?
Ma'am, I don't remember.
Why you are not studying the chapter?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah. Red phosphorus.
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 Ma'am, may I? Red
phosphorus.
phosphorus.
Okay, next
Ma'am, sulfur
question.
भी हो सकता है.
Why is this noise coming? Who is? Do you want to ask something? कौन है? पुष्कर. Do you have any question?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next question. Pushkar, you please answer. Why does a paper cup burn easily? Empty paper cup burn easily than the paper cup containing water. Who will answer this? Keshav Krishnan. Keshav. Keshav Krishnan. Nikhil Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Question फिर से बोले तो?
Why does a empty paper cup catches
may I?
fire easily as compared to a paper cup containing water?
Can I give the answer?
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, because
Bolo.
the ignition temperature of paper is quickly.
Ma'am, because water
Ignition
absorbs
temperature
the
of which paper?
heat.
And then because the water is also absorbed, so that the cup containing water
Ma'am, because
is
what?
not compared to the empty paper.
Yes, correct.
And because
Or
water absorbs heat.
the water absorbs heat in the paper containing water, and the ignition temperature is not reached easily. It does not reach the ignition temperature easily, but the empty paper cup reaches the ignition temperature more quickly. Then next is Raman. What are the conditions necessary for combustion? What are the three conditions necessary for combustion? Raman, please be in the class. आप लोग ज्वाइन करके कहीं चले जाते हो क्या? या कुछ?
No, ma'am.
Why do you come to the class? If there is no interaction,
Ma'am, may I?
Rohanit Raj.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
There must be a supply
Ma'am, may I?
of oxygen or air There
Ma'am,
must
may
be
I?
a combustible substance. The temperature
Yes.
should above the ignition temperature of any combustible material.
Yes.
ma'am,
There
temperature,
must-
oxygen and combustible material.
हाँ, एक बार और बोलो कोई अच्छे से तीनों पॉइंट.
Supporter of
There
combustion,
must be
combustible
a
substance,
Presence of
and
combustion
combustible
together
substance.
its
supply of
ignition
There
temperature.
must be
Air
a
temperature
supply of
temperature above the ignition
of air.
Temperature
The
should be above the
temperature should
ignition
be above
temperature
the
of the
ignition
combustion material.
temperature or a combustible material.
Okay, now after that, Shalin Shambhav,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the different types of combustion?
4 types of combustion.
बोलो
Slow
कौन
combustion,
कौन?
rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, explosive combustion.
Yes, correct. Shambhavi Sinha. Shambhavi Sinha. Shivan Kumar. Shivan. Shreya. You all don't respond or what? Shubhra Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए. Define slow combustion.
When a combustible material burns at slow or moderate rate, its combustion is called slow combustion.
Example.
Example wood, cow dung cake, etc.
Yes, ठीक है. Tamanna Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Define rapid combustion.
When a combustible substance burns at a fast rate, its combustion is called rapid combustion. For example, fuels.
Gaseous fuel. Not
Yes, ma'am,
fuel,
gaseous
only
fuel.
gaseous fuel. Okay.
Ma'am,
Dheeraj.
supply of oxygen.
Yes, ma'am.
Pardon? क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप लोग?
Ma'am, yes, we थी.
Ma'am, in
Huh?
rapid combustion, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in rapid combustion, there is sufficient supply of oxygen.
Who is speaking? कौन बोल रहा है?
Ma'am, हम बोल रहे थे.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Ma'am,
What
in
is
rapid,
what is a spontaneous combustion?
ma'am, when a combustible material catches fire in its own and which is lower than the ignition temperature, it's called spontaneous combustion.
Okay. Explosive combustion. Explosive combustion.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Can I?
It is complete and
Ma'am, may I?
uncontrolled combustion of
Complete and
a
controlled
substance within a
substance
short
within a short
span of time.
ठीक है. Now, how can we control fire if the body or the object is on fire in ammunition depot? Ammunition depot पर हम लोग अगर कोई body या कोई object को catch fire होता है, तो how can we control it? Do you all understand ammunition depot? Ammunition depot किसको बोलते हैं?
नहीं पता.
Where the burning materials are there, stored over there. तो ज्यादातर बर्निंग मटेरियल कहाँ पे रहता है जो जल्दी कैच फायर कर सकता है? पेट्रोल पंप्स. So these
LPG godown.
deposits where the highly inflammable substances are stored are known as ammunition depot. So in this, what is this? What are the means over there to control this fire over there in the ammunition depot? उसपे एक special
Reduce the oxygen.
व्यवस्था होती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Reduce oxygen and get presence of carbon dioxide.
हाँ ठीक है, तो और क्या कर सकते हो? How you can
Throw water
Temperature.
over the
Can
fire.
remove combustible material.
Ma'am,
water
cut the
is
supply
correct.
of oxygen.
cut the supply of oxygen is also correct.
Ma'am, sand.
हाँ, that what I was asking. Yeah.
Ma'am,
over
lower-
there.
Fire extinguisher.
Lower temperature.
Yes. Sand in ammunition depot, there is the surface is covered with sand because it acts as a you can say fire extinguisher at that time. मान लो fire extinguisher भी work नहीं कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. We should throw sand on it, which will cut the supply of oxygen and the fire will be controlled. Okay. What happens when there is incomplete combustion?
Carbon monoxide
Unburned
is
carbon
produced.
particles.
Carbon monoxide is produced, that is CO.
Carbon monoxide and unburnt carbon also passes in the atmosphere when there is incomplete combustion. Now after that, define flame. Flame को define करिए. Arya, are you ready? Section G. Arya. Some of the students don't participate at all. That means you all don't revise your work. Arya. Okay. Jo, Shalin Sambhav, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो बोलिए तो define flame.
The region of burning gases are known as flame.
Okay, ठीक है. Then what are the 3 zones of division of this flame? Next, who will answer?
May I?
Amit.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
May I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
एक
Ma'am,
बच्चा
may I?
करे.
Innermost zone, middle zone,
Innermost zone, middle zone,
Innermost zone,
or
or
luminous zone,
non-luminous
outermost zone, or non-luminous zone.
Non-luminous zone.
Amit is speaking, so others will stop.
yes ma'am.
एक बच्चा बोलने लगे, उसका बंद कर दो. हाँ, Amit. Start. What are the 3 zones of flame?
Innermost zone, middle zone or luminous zone, outer zone or non-luminous zone.
Yes, correct. Then after that, Abhinav, do you want to tell? Abhinav Raj? Anupriya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Innermost zone, non-luminous zone, and luminous zone.
Now you tell me what is the special quality of this innermost zone?
Ma'am, innermost zone contains carbon particles, unburnt carbon particles.
Unburnt wax vapor, not carbon particle. Unburnt wax vapor, and it is the coldest part of the flame. Middle zone or luminous zone?
Ma'am, middle zone contains carbon particles.
And it is hotter than
Innermost zone.
It is yellow in color. ये special, at least 2 features you all learn. It is necessary. Outermost zone or non-luminous zone, what can you say about this?
It is very hot.
Outermost zone is the hottest part of
This zone is
Hottest
hottest
part, yes.
Zone is the
temperature.
hottest part of the candle.
Yes, and this zone contains complete combustion of wax vapor and carbon particles. In this zone, we have wax vapors or as well as carbon particles.
Ma'am, burns with the
Then
flame.
next, pardon,
Ma'am, it burns with
कुछ
a
पूछना है? Your voice is not coming clearly. आवाज तेज करो. Define fuel.
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ बोलिए.
Material which produce heat on burning in air is called fuels.
Okay. Now define calorific value of a fuel.
Ma'am, may I?
बोलिए.
The amount of heat energy produced on completely burning 1 kilogram of a fuel in pure oxygen is known as calorific value of a fuel.
Okay. Now next is, what is the unit in which we express the
May I,
calorific
ma'am?
value? बोलिए.
Kilojoule per kilogram.
Kilojoule per kilogram. Now a very common question of this chapter, what are the characteristics of good fuel?
Ma'am,
कोई
It,
भी बच्चा
it should be
cheap,
cheap.
easy to
It should be
transport,
high.
highly
High
available.
It should be low ignition
It should be
temperature.
cheap, ready
It
to
should be
available,
easy to
easy to transport,
transport,
be easy to
easy
store, have a high
calorific
calorific
be
value,
easily
not
available
produce
in the
low
harmful
market.
gases, have a
calorific
low
value.
ignition
Should be
temperature,
cheap
undergo
and
complete
easy to
and
handle
control level
and
Some
transport.
not harmful gases produced.
One of you, please
a
children.
good fuel
एक
should
बच्चा
be
बोलो.
easy to store. A good fuel should be easy to store. It will be cheap and available and easy to transport. It not produce harmful gases after burning, and it undergo complete and controllable combustion.
Yes. So this is a very common question. At least 4 to 5 points you should learn. Then next one, why are gaseous fuel best fuel? Why is gaseous fuel considered to be the best fuel?
Gaseous fuels
Gaseous
easy to
fuels are
Gaseous fuels
considered
are
as
best because
best
they do not
fuel.
leave any ash. Gaseous fuel produce least amount of heat or harmful gases as compared to solid and liquid fuel. Gaseous fuels can be easily ignited even with small spark. Their rate of combustion can also be easily controlled with the help of controllable valve.
Yes. Anybody else can tell this answer?
Ma'am, gaseous fuels have high calorific value. They produce least harmful gases and they have low ignition temperature, but do not have below or around the room temperature.
And can be controlled easily.
Gaseous fuel release large amount of energy. They also do not leave behind any ash or solid residue or combustion.
Yes. और कोई?
Gaseous fuels are considered better because of the ease in their transportation, high calorific value, and low ignition temperature. They also produce as or harmful gases after combustion.
Okay, ठीक है. What is acid rain? What is acid rain?
Acid rain is the rain which contain acids, harmful acids.
No. और clarify करो. How are acid rain produced? कौन सा harmful gas के कारण वो acidic हो
Sulfuric,
जाता है?
sulfur gas.
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfur dioxide gas.
Sulfur dioxide is released by burning of coal and diesel, and that gets converted to sulfuric acid
It
by
produce
dissolving
it damage.
with water, and then it can, after dissolving in the rainwater, it may fall in the surface of the earth, and that is known as acid rain.
Ma'am, it can also damage plant and animals.
It can, yes, damage plants and monuments made up of mud. Now, after that, you tell me why is water not used in controlling electrical fires?
Because water is a
Because
Tell me
good conductor
some.
of
water is a
electricity.
good
Because water
conductor
is
of
the good conductor of
electricity.
Because
Because
electricity.
water is
water
good
is a good
conductor of
conductor of
electricity.
electricity.
And it can cause electric shocks.
And it can cause electric shocks.
Why do we say that burning of fuel can cause health hazards?
Burning of fuels can cause health hazards because carbon monoxide is produced.
Which is a poisonous gas,
And
and
harmful for the body.
it can cause breathing problem. Children, कहीं कहीं आप specify भी करो कि आप कौन सा disease के बारे में, उससे direct impact किसको पड़ेगा. You will write even small amount of carbon monoxide can cause breathing problem and large amount can prove to be fatal. Fatal means to leading to death.
Ma'am, burning of
Next.
fuels causes air pollution also.
Yes, that is also there. What is the full form of CNG?
Compressed natural gas.
Natural gas.
Natural gas.
Where is it? Why is it known as a cleaner fuel?
Because it do not
Because they may produce
gases
Because
or
it do
air
not
pollution.
produce
Because
any
it did
ash.
not
That's why it is
produce
called
any
a
ash
fuel.
or carbon dioxide.
It does not produce any
greenhouse
ash
gas.
or harmful products, so it is said to be cleaner fuel. Then after that, what are inflammable substances?
Substances which have a low ignition temperature and hence catch fire easily with a flame
known as
are called inflammable substances.
Which contains
Which gas is necessary? Which gas is necessary for combustion?
Oxygen.
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 Then here you have an activity, page number 121. You have to mention that which is the combustible substance and which is the non-combustible. It is very easy. You can categorize matchstick.
Ma'am, it is combustible.
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 Yes,
Ma'am, it is
clothes,
also combustible.
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 rubber,
Combustible.
Combustible.
Non-combustible.
iron rain,
Non-combustible.
Non-combustible.
Combustible.
yes, glass,
Non-combustible.
Non-combustible.
and straw.
Combustible.
Combustible.
Stable.
Okay. What are the different types of fuel?
There are 3 types of fuel: solid, liquid, and gas.
Solid liquid gas.
A fuel
liquid
may
and
be
gas.
solid, liquid, or gas.
ठीक है, सबका एग्जाम्पल पता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, once again, you tell this answer. Why does the flame of a burning candle blows off when? Why does the flame of a candle blows off when we No, why does a burning candle goes off when we blow over it strongly?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, insufficient
ma'am,
supply
because
of air
carbon dioxide.
or carbon
By
dioxide is formed
When
in
By
we
air.
blowing
we
That's
produce
air
carbon
current lower
dioxide.
the temperature of burning wax vapor below their ignition temperature, and the carbon dioxide
the
in
ignition
our breath
temperature
acts
is
as a fire
decreases.
And ma'am,
extinguisher.
carbon dioxide is coming out from our breath.
Yes, carbon dioxide in our breath acts as a fire extinguisher, and that is why
Yes,
2
ma'am.
points you should write very clearly in this question. Now, in the matchstick, at the tip of the matchstick, we put the chemical, but due to which
There are
activity
red
And it catches fire.
Red sulfur.
red
why
phosphorus.
does this red phosphorus catches fire when we are igniting it?
Because
Friction.
It is lower
Because
than
it is a
ignition temperature,
combustible material.
room temperature.
No,
and it is
मान
combustible
लो आप
material.
फ्रिक्शन उसमें नहीं
Due
करोगे
to frictions.
तो कैच फायर होगा.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
due
ma'am.
to फ्रिक्शन और स्ट्राइकिंग, जब हम स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं उसको तो ही वो क्या करता है, कैच फायर होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, due to
Okay.
friction, temperature will increase and it catch fire.
Yes, क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
Ma'am, due to friction.
What are you telling?
Ma'am, due to friction, the temperature will increase and it will catch fire.
Yes, due to
That's
friction,
all.
temperature will increase and it will catch fire. Correct answer. Now, if we are taking 1 kg of wood and 1 kg of the same amount of, you can say, coal, which will produce more heat?
Coal.
Ma'am,
Coal.
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 Why?
Ma'am, coal.
Why?
Because coal has high
Ma'am,
calorific value.
more
Coal
heat
has
than
a
wood.
high
Because they have
temperature.
high calorific value.
Yes, it is related.
Because coal
Ma'am,
is
coal is
high
having high
calorific value.
heated.
Yes, it will have high calorific value. Now, children, when you are in your exam, your question may arise with the diagram of the flame. So you will have to mention either it is sometimes the diagram is drawn and you have to label the diagram, or sometimes you have to completely draw the diagram. So drawing is must, but labeling is also necessary. Then only you will get the marks. Now, children, anything you want to ask me in this chapter? कुछ और पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
कहीं और clear करना है
No,
किसी को?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am. No
Tomorrow,
question.
all of you try to attend your this exam. Maximum children should give this exam. It is mandatory.
Ma'am.
सबके लिए जरूरी है. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
then. अगर और कुछ
Yes,
पूछना है तो पूछ लीजिए.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No doubt.
कार्बन
Thank you.
मोनोऑक्साइड कैसे फॉर्म होता है?
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice